Hello everybody, I am Nick Blackwood and we are going to talk about how to use document cameras in our remote teaching setups. I know a lot of us right now are teaching from either school or from home and we don't all have the best setup. I know our district purchased these awesome document cameras. I put googly eyes on mine because I think they're fun. But these are a great way for us to show something that we're writing with our hands or we're showing a book that's open, instead of just relying on the cameras on our computers, just face-to-face stuff. If you're using Zoom or any other sort of chat service that has a camera operation there, this is a great way to add a second camera to your setup. So let's take a look at what this looks like on my desk. So I have 3 devices on my desk. I have my document camera and my 2 computers. In your setup, you would only have 1 computer, your teacher computer. Your document camera would connect to the teacher computer. I have it through USB, and the MacBook will serve as your student's view. It could be anything, an iPhone or an Android or any other computer or tablet that could work with Zoom. I'm going to connect or turn on the video for the face-to-face on the computer screen. And now you can see the teacher's point of view through the student's eyes. Next, I'm going to turn on the document camera as a second screen. This will activate the camera function in the document camera and it'll show up on the student's view. To turn on the document camera, we need to share the screen, but we're going to do it slightly differently from normal. We're going to go to the advanced settings and we're going to click on the content from second camera. When you press the share button, now the feed is coming from the document camera. Once your document camera is up and running, you can do anything from sharing books to writing samples, and you can very easily switch from the document camera back to your face-to-face camera in the top left corner. And it switches back to that face-to-face view. And that is it. That is how you plug this thing in. You connect it to the computer, choose it in the share screen settings in your advanced options for a lot of different applications, and you're good to go. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any other questions, please leave a comment below and I'll be happy to try to answer them. And good luck to all you teachers teaching remotely this year. My name's Nick Blackwood and I hope you guys have an excellent year. Good luck.